Hello friends, welcome to CBSE Math Tutor. In today's lesson, we are going to solve a word problem on quadratic equations which is related to finding the age of a person. The question is, the sum of reciprocals of Arun's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. Find his present age. So before we start our solution, let us understand the question. And for that, let us try to underline the keywords that are available in the question. So the question says the sum of reciprocals of Arun's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. That means the condition is given that the sum of reciprocals of Arun's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now, that is after 5 years, is 1/3. So let us consider the present age of Arun as x. So let us consider the present age of Arun be x years. So we consider the present age of Arun as x years. So in the question we are given 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So 3 years ago his age was how much? Now his age is x, so x minus 3 years. Similarly, after 5 years, so 5 years from now, 5 years from now, his age will be equals to, right now his age is x, so after 5 years his age will be x plus 5 years. Now according to the question, what is given? The question says the sum of reciprocals of his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1/3. That means according to the question, we are given that sum of the reciprocal of his age 3 years ago, reciprocal means 1 by x minus 3, and reciprocal of his age 5 years from now, 1 by x plus 5, is equals to 1/3 is given. In the left hand side, take LCM, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now cross multiply, x plus 5 into 1x plus 5 plus 1 into x minus 3 is x minus 3 is equals to 1/3. Cross multiply, x plus 5 into 1 is x plus 5 plus x minus 3 into 1 is x minus 3 equals to 1/3. Now collect the like terms. X plus x is 2x plus 5 minus 3 is 2 whole divided by, open the bracket in the denominator, x into x, x is square, plus into plus, plus x into 5, 5x, minus into plus, minus 3 into x, 3x, minus into plus, minus 3 into 5 is 15 is equals to 1/3. Now in the denominator also collect the like terms. So in the numerator, what do we have? We have 2x plus 2. In the denominator, we have x square plus 5 minus 3 is 2x minus 15 is equals to 1/3. Or now cross multiply, 1 into x square plus 1 into 2x, 2x minus 1 into 15, 15 is equals to 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 into 2 is 6. Now take all the terms to the left hand side and collect the like terms. So x square plus 2x, when this x comes to the left hand side, it will become minus 6x minus 15, 6 will come to the left hand side, it will become minus 6 is equals to 0. Now simplify, x square minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4x, minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the two numbers by using 1 and 21, so that we get 4 either on adding those two numbers or subtracting those two numbers in order to split the middle term. So we have 21. We know that 7 times 3 is 21 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So we got the number. After we got the number, check the sign. There is positive. In place of 4, we are writing 7 minus 3. So positive, positive, negative and negative. That means 2 positive, 2 negatives. That means factorization is possible. So now let us factorize, or x square minus in place of 4 we are writing 7 minus 3 x minus 21 equals to 0, or x square minus 7x minus plus 3x minus 21 is equals to 0. Or now take common from this 2 and this 2. X is common, x minus 7 is there. Whatever has come, write that as it is. Now write the sign as it is. Now compare the coefficient. There is coefficient 1, there is coefficient 3. So in order to make this 1 3, we need to multiply by 3. So what is same, write it once and write the remaining part one time. So we got x minus 7 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. So now either x minus 7 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. From here we get x equals to minus 3. From here we get x equals to 7. Now x equals to minus 3 is neglected. Why? Because what is x? X is the present age of Arun. So age cannot be negative. So we neglected minus 3. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 7. Hence the present age of Arun is 7 years. So friends, I hope you like the solution. If you do so, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will get notified as quickly as possible. Friends, do not forget to share this video to your friends so that they can also understand the concept. So until next time, this is Kishore Kafle. Have a good time. Bye bye.